All right, man. I'm about to be, I guess they call pillars. I had bought some carbon fiber ones, some stick-ons. So that's what we're about to do in this video. A little cheap mod, but it's better than what it look like now. Let me go ahead and wipe this down and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Now I gotta clean my trunk out. Just put some soap and water in this bottle. I might go to the other side. This is what I will be putting on my pillars. I can't do this with two hands, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. And you just put it on there, but I don't got no tripod or anything, so I'm gonna have to put my phone down and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Got one down. Next one to go. Two down. Man, I just lost the ones to this. I had them on my hood. I put the hood up and they fell down here, so unfortunately I couldn't get it, so I'm gonna have to wrap it with this. Hopefully it's close enough. Gotta do it. I got both sides on. Man, I really want to try and find these pieces, so I'm gonna dig up under the car and see if I can come up with it. Okay, I'm finally finished.